Welcome guys, I am Subha Malik, and in this video I am going to show you how to create this simple letters and numbers and letters coloring book for kids using Canva using a free font. So you can see here 1, 2, then there are 2 apple on the next page to show the kids to make the kids learn counting. Then 3, there are 3 grapes, 4, and there are 4 avocados, and 5 ice creams. And then after creating the 1 to 10 counting or 1 to 20 counting, you can create letters, alphabets or letters. On the very first page we will write in big letter A. Then on the next page we will show what A stands for. A is for apple, B, and then B is for ball or bat or beetle, and anything you want to make the book interesting. So before doing this, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell notification icon so that you don't miss any new video from me. So without wasting further time, let's get started. To create a book like this, you need to go to File, here, create a new document, new design, and then click on Custom Dimensions. Here change the pixel to inches and write 8.5 into 11, then create design. Now this will be our blank documents of 8.5 into 11. So here is blank document. We need to add margins, so click on File and then Show Margins. Not add margin, only show margins. We will be creating our interior within these margins. To create our interior, just go to Text and here select this is special type of font, Action, and click on this one, and then double click and Control plus A to select this one, and then write 1 from your keyboard. Now we have written our first number. Make it bigger, and if you feel the thickness is more than usual, then click on this one and you can go to Effects and reduce the thickness to something like 12. Now it looks perfect. Just change the color. Click on this and go to Color and change the color to blackish one. You can select pure black or any shade of black. I am selecting this one, pure black. Now we have written 1. Just select this one, then Control plus D from your keyboard to duplicate this one, and here reduce the size and double click here and write 1 like this. You can also click on this and increase the size as well. Now this is our very first page. We need to create the second page of this to show some sort of counting. Just click on duplicate this page and delete this first one, and move it toward the top, and here click on elements and search for some sort of element. I am searching for ball. Click on the ball and click this one or this one. You can click this one, and it doesn't show anything on the page because the outlines are white. The color of outline is white. Just select this one and then click on the color and change the color to black as well. Now you can see the ball. If you feel the color is more black or deep black, then go to color again and change the color to some shade of black. Now we have created our 2 pages, 1 and again 1. Now we need to duplicate each of these. Just duplicate the first one and change it to 2, and again change this one to 2 as well. Change the size of the text box like this. Now we need to move this page toward the bottom. Just click on this one, move down. Now we have 1, 1 and 2, 2. Now just again go to this page and duplicate this again, and then click on down. Now you can see here 2, and it says here we will need to change it to 2 again, and all we need to do is replace the image. Just delete this image. There is a magic recommendation. You can select the second one here and change the color again to black. Select this one and Ctrl+D from your keyboard and duplicate this. This is our second page. 1 ball, 2 balls again. Now duplicate this page first. Duplicate and move it down toward the bottom. Again duplicate this page and move it toward the bottom of this page. Now we need to change only the numbers and text. 3 and 3 again. Change the size of the text to fit within the margins, and here we need to write again 3. Change the size to make this fit within these margins. 3. Now we need to change these images as well. So you can select any sort of image, like I am selecting some sort of fruit, apples, and once I click on the apple, now we have one apple here on page. We need to duplicate this apple 2 times. 1, 2, and then 3. Now we have our 3 apples, 3 and then 3 apples. Now again duplicate these both pages. Duplicate first one, move it down and go here and duplicate this, and again move it down toward the bottom. First here we will change the second last page to 4. Change the text as well to 4, and here again 4, and just replace these images. I am replacing with this icon of cone or ice cream. Duplicate this one to make 2, then select these 2 and then Ctrl+D to make it 4. Duplicate. Okay, if it seems smaller, then you can also change the size as well. Now we have our 4 pages ready, actually 8 pages ready. Just have a look. This is the very first one, then 1, 2 balls, 3 apples, 4 ice creams. So we have created our first part of this. Just like that, you will be creating 1 to 10 counting. Next we need to create ABC or alphabet interior. Just click on add page. This will be a blank page. Then again go to text, and this one, or you can select some other text as well, other font as well. Just Ctrl+A to select all, then write A here. Similarly, just change the color to blackish and like this. Position, center line, middle line. If it seems smaller, then you can also increase its size. Middle. Outline or thickness is way more, so just go to effects and reduce it to 12. Now we have created a very simple alphabet or letter page. Now click this page and duplicate to make it the second page. Just reduce its size like this, and Ctrl+D here. Again reduce the size of this text box. Here we will be writing apple like this. Move this A toward the corner and again go to elements and drop some sort of image which represents the letter. Now we have created our 2 alphabet pages. Just again go back to this page again and duplicate this. Just change to B and move this page down. Again go to this page and duplicate and move this page down. Just change the letters only to B. Change to basket or ball. I'm changing to ball. Delete this image and go to elements and search for ball and click one ball and you will be presented with some sort of recommendation by Canva. Then change the color to black and here we have our pages. Now we have 2 pages. Just delete the first one. Here just have a look again on the whole PDF, whole book. We have created 12 pages. 1, 2. Okay, that's great. B and B. So in this way you will be creating A to Z pages and 1 to 10 or 1 to 20 pages. This would be a coloring and learning book for kids, alphabet coloring book or numbers coloring book for kids. Kids will also learn alphabets and number and have a fun of coloring as well. Once you have done this whole PDF, just go to download and here select the type PDF print, not standard, and then click download button only. This is very simple to create coloring book for kids and it is selling very well on the Amazon. Just rename this one and let's have a look of our PDF. This is downloaded. Open once, done, and it is done. Again we have our pages 3, 4, A, apple, A is for apple, B, ball. You can also write here A, B is for ball or A is for apple as whole line, but I have restricted to very. So this is how you can create very easy to create and easy to use coloring book for kids, numbers and letters. That is all from me today. If you like this video, if you are new to my channel, then do subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.